Have you ever been listening to music on your Bluetooth speaker, then opened YouTube or Facebook, and suddenly your music stopped? Most people think that's just how Android works. But Samsung has a hidden feature that fixes this. It's called separate app sound. This allows one app to play audio through your Bluetooth speaker, while another app plays through your phone's own speaker. For example, watch YouTube on your phone without interrupting the music. Listen to navigation instructions from your phone speaker while music continues in your car. Very few Android phones offer this level of control. Here is how to enable it. Open Settings, tap Sounds and Vibration. Scroll down and tap Separate App Sound, turn it on. Choose the app you want to play separately. Then select the output device, that's it. The next time you use that app, Samsung automatically sends its sound to the device you selected. This is especially useful if you're at home with family or using Bluetooth speakers at work. If you learned something new today, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. I upload new Samsung tips, Android security tricks, and hidden phone features every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.